So I actually have an obsession with rings. I don't know why I love to wear them. I'm actually wearing two of them right now, and this one is my favorite one. Anyways, since I love them, I have a small collection of rings. And since I got my hands on some air dry clay, I wanted to make this ring holder, and I decided to share this idea with you guys. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. For this we will need clay. I'm using this air dry clay, knife to cut out the shape, a bowl, or you can use a circle shape to cut out your plate, some water to smooth out everything, and some toothpicks. And I also used paint. Now I'm not showing you guys the paint because today I'm not going to use the paint. I'll show you guys the paint later. Okay, so first I'm going to wear my gloves so it's not messy. My hands is already messed up, and then I realized that I need to wear gloves. So yeah, ignore my messy hands, but wear gloves, it's better. Although if you wear gloves, you won't be able to smooth it out nicely. For that step, I would recommend you not wear the gloves, but wear the gloves where you can, because it's super messy. So now I'm going to get a chunk of the air dry clay, and I'm going to be using this jar to roll out my clay. And now I'm just rolling out my clay, and then I will use the bowl that I showed you guys earlier. Make sure you roll the clay until it's big enough to fit the circle shape you're using. I'm using this bowl. You can use a circle paper, whatever works for you, and you can make it in any size that you want. Anyways, now I'm just cutting out a circle with the help of the bowl and the knife. Remove the excess, and here is the base already. Now I'm going to take another chunk of the air dry clay, and I'm going to roll out a long strip like this. Make sure it's big enough to wrap around the circle that we made. So this is going to be the border of our dish or bowl, whatever, jewelry dish, yeah, you can call that. And now I'm going to take a toothpick, and I'm going to just scrape out the edge like this. This is going to help it stick better. And now I will get my long strip and just attach it with my circle. Since the strip is pretty thin, be careful with it to not rip it. And cut off any excess clay, and just attach it like this. Push it against the circle, and you can use some water if you want to attach it. It will work as a glue. And now after attaching it, I'm just smoothing it out with some water. Like so. And now I'm going to take some more clay, and now I'm going to just roll it out with my hands like this. So I just made a thin cylinder type of thing, and now I'm going to take a toothpick, and I'm going to put it through that so it's strong and it doesn't collapse down. And I'm going to cut it. Okay, now I'm going to just attach it on my plate. So this is basically the main ring holder. You can put your rings through it and it will hold your rings. And now I made another cylinder like this, but this one is smaller than the other one, and I placed it right beside that like so. And now I'm going to let it dry overnight, and here it is after this is the next day. This is how it looks, and you can see the color is lighter now. Okay, so now I'm going to paint it, and I'm going to just take my paintbrush, water, a plate to mix my colors, and paint. Yeah, white paint, and I'm using acrylic paint. So now I'm going to just mix my colors, and these are the colors that I will be using. This light green and light brown color. So yeah, now I'm going to just basically paint my jewelry dish or ring holder. You can use it as both. And I'm going to paint the base in this green color, and I also painted one of the cylinders, the bigger one, in this green color, and the other one I'm going to paint it in the light brown color. Yeah. And after letting it dry, I'm going to use my metallic golden marker now to paint on a border, and I also painted the cylinders with this to give it to make it extra beautiful, because I thought it was looking too plain, and it looks much better now with the golden. Let me know what you guys think. And I also painted on some polka dots. I think it looks really cute. And this is the container which I used to keep my rings in. Now I can finally organize it on this new ring organizer or holder, whatever you call it. And I love it. I love how it turned out. I hope you guys will try it out as well. And you can also keep your jewelries here, or earrings, necklace, whatever, and use it as a jewelry dish as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.